In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Squarespace student discount. If you're a student looking to create a stunning website and save money while doing so, you're in the right place. Squarespace is a popular platform known for its user-friendly interface and beautiful templates, but did you know that they occasionally offer discounted pricing specifically for students? Let's dive into how you can take advantage of this opportunity. First, let's talk about promo codes. Squarespace frequently releases promo codes that can give you discounts on your initial subscription. These codes can be found through various promotions and partnerships, so it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for these deals online. Subscribing to newsletters or following social media channels where such promotions are announced might also increase your chances of snagging a great deal. Now on to the main highlight, the Squarespace for Students discount. Squarespace recognizes the importance of supporting students and offers a dedicated page on their website with all the information you need to determine if you're eligible for a student discount. Navigating to the Squarespace for Students page should be your first step. On this page, you'll find comprehensive details about the discount, including what it entails and the eligibility criteria. To qualify for this discount, you'll need to be able to prove your student status. Typically, this might involve providing an official document such as a student ID or a valid email address that includes an educational domain. It's crucial to have these documents ready to facilitate the verification process. After verifying your eligibility, you will receive details regarding how the discount applies. This often involves receiving a promo code specifically tailored for students, which can be applied during the checkout process when purchasing your Squarespace plan. Remember, while this student discount is incredibly beneficial, be mindful of the terms and conditions that accompany it. Take the time to read through these guidelines to ensure there are no surprises down the road. It's also worth noting that these discounts primarily apply to the initial subscription term, so plan accordingly, especially if you're looking long-term. If you're still shopping for inspiration on how to design your website using Squarespace, there are plenty of resources available online, including tutorials and community forums that can offer tips and advice on getting the most out of every feature Squarespace has to offer. Exploring these can be a great way to maximize both your discount and your website's potential. So there you have it. These steps can lead you to save money while enjoying the full capabilities of the Squarespace platform. Happy website building!